How do you write a good hypothesis for an experiment? Have you ever wondered how scientists come up with predictions for their experiments? Writing a good hypothesis is a key part of the scientific process. It helps guide your research and sets the stage for what you want to discover. So, how do you craft one that stands out? First, start with a focused question about something that piques your curiosity. This is especially fun in the realm of weird science, where strange experiments often lead to quirky results. Think about what you want to investigate. For example, you might ask, what happens if I play different types of music to plants? Once you have your question, gather some background information. This will help you understand what is already known about your topic. Look for existing research or observations that relate to your question. This step is essential as it informs your hypothesis and ensures you are not repeating what others have already done. Next, define your variables clearly. The independent variable is what you will change in your experiment. In our music example, this would be the type of music played. The dependent variable is what you will measure or observe as a result of that change. For instance, you might measure the growth rate of the plants. Now it is time to formulate your hypothesis. A strong hypothesis is often structured as an if-then statement. This format clearly expresses the cause and effect relationship you are predicting. For example, you could say, if I play classical music to plants, then their growth rate will increase compared to those that do not receive music. Make sure your hypothesis is specific and testable. This means you should be able to conduct an experiment to see if your prediction holds true. The more precise you are, the easier it will be to gather data and draw conclusions later. Finally, keep in mind that a good hypothesis can lead to unexpected results. In weird science, you might find that the plants grow differently than you anticipated. This is all part of the fun. Embrace the quirky outcomes and let them guide your next steps in research. So remember, writing a good hypothesis involves asking a focused question, gathering background information, defining your variables, and crafting a clear, testable statement. With these steps, you will be well on your way to conducting fascinating experiments that could lead to surprising discoveries.